Hi, this is Rahul. I hope you are doing well. This was the last topic which was left in a series of set equalities proof. First, last one is what membership table. This is very simple one, but I would suggest you to don't apply this membership tables when number of sets are quite high or more than 5 or 10. So this is feasible only if you have a few sets, like one or two sets. So what suppose if you want to prove, this is very simple one, A union B intersection, and what our aim is to prove this one, right? How do we prove? With the help of a membership table. This is very simple one, and A, first I will write A, then I'll write B, and then this is very analogous to two tables, and I will find A complement, and then I'll find B complement, and then I do find A union B, and then I do find what A intersection B. Is this clear for you? Right. So if this is clear, I do put some 0 and 1 value. One value, if I'm putting, what does it mean? 1 means what? Any element x belong to A. 0 means what? Any element x doesn't belong to A. Similarly, if I'm putting value in column of B, and then you assume that x belong to B and x doesn't belong to B, so I'm putting similarly values y0 and y 0 1 and 0 0. These are all possibility which are possible between these two sets. If I'm talking about x belong to A, x belong to B, right? So one thing you do, and if you want to take complements, you simply flip the bits which are present over here in column of A. So A has 1, so this will become 0, and this will become also 0, and it goes to 1. So what about 1 this will become 1, this will become 0 0, and this one is 1. So now take A union B. A union B means what? A or B. So A or B would becomes this if either one is having elements, or both having elements, we get 1 only. So we take union of these two OR operations, and this will become 1 and this will become 0. Now let's take AND of these two, what we get? 0. If both are 1, then only we get 1, otherwise we get 0. So here only 1 having this one. Now our aim is to take complement of this one, right? So because left hand side expression is what? A union B complement. So now we had one column of union, we take complement of this one. The bits which are present in this columns will flip and come over here. So this one I'm talking about, and what you see? 0 0 0 1. So how do you justify or say that A intersection B is equal to A union B by using membership table? As you see, each and every entries of these two columns are same. By by using this logics, we can say these two expressions are equal to each other. This was all about membership table. That's it. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching.